Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to finally be able to get some content out. I know you guys are thinking, girl, what? A refrigerator DIY? Like, we wasn't expecting that, but I'm telling y'all, it's gonna be very helpful. I'm gonna be turning this stainless steel refrigerator into a beautiful marble finish with white touches. So watch along as I transform this fridge, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions below. So let's get into it. I got this fridge from Sam's for about $218 after tax. It's a 7.5 cubic foot refrigerator. I got this refrigerator because I am now an entrepreneur of my food/catering business, and it requires that I have more storage space. So I thought, why not get this? It's the perfect size. Only problem is, of course, it's black and it does not go with my interior decor. So I'm going to be transforming it to make it go with my interior decor. As you can see, this 7.5 cubic foot refrigerator has the perfect storage space. This video is going to be super helpful for anyone that's looking forward to transforming their fridge. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first things first, I spray painted the left side of the fridge, and I used the Rust-Oleum, I think I'm saying that right, spray paint. I got the 2x Ultra Cover. It's the paint plus the primer in semi-gloss white. They also had a glossy white version, but I really I don't know, I didn't want it to be super glossy, so I went for the semi-gloss, and it's honestly perfect. So if you want a similar look, I definitely say go with the semi-gloss. You can find this spray paint at Amazon, Target, Walmart, whichever is your preference. I used about 2.5 cans to spray paint the entire fridge. So I definitely would say go ahead and buy 3 spray paint bottles when you purchase it. And for reference, this is for a 7.5 cubic foot refrigerator. If you have anything bigger than that you're trying to customize and spray paint, whatever the case may be, go with more. Okay, so go with those measurements. I would say if it's anything bigger, probably just be safe and get like a 6-pack. And I say for sure, if you want to get them individually, because I know Amazon has a 6-pack, but it's more expensive than if you just buy them individually. I think they have like a 6-pack for $36 or something like that, but if you go to Target or Walmart, they're like $4 a piece, so you're going to be spending like $24. So definitely go ahead and go with Walmart or Target when you're buying these spray paints. Please make sure y'all mask up, okay? You do not want these fumes like with you, so wear a double, triple, quadruple mask if you need to. Seriously, I had one on when I first started, but I noticed that wasn't enough, so I literally ended up having like 3 masks on throughout the whole process, just because you don't want to get high off these fumes. They're not, healthy to inhale for a duration of time, so please wear your mask. Also, take a break as well with spray painting. I spray painted this one side and I kind of gave it a break until, I just gave it a little break before I continued to spray paint. Huh? Oh, no, it's okay. It's okay.
What you doing if I don't mind you?
I'm just basically gonna customize this. I'm turning from black and stainless steel. It's gonna be like marble, and then it's gonna be white.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah.
I like it.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. Okay, so now I am going to spray paint the black handles, basically silver. I'm going to take everything black and just turn it silver. So the front part, I spray painted the little logo at the top right corner that says the brand of the fridge. I spray painted that silver as well, and I'm just showing y'all the exact type of silver spray paint that I'm using for the finishes on the fridge. So here, all I'm basically doing is using a towel to kind of like not get the silver spray paint on the white at the top of the fridge. So honestly, a smarter way to do this would have been to wear gloves as well, because if you can see, I'm literally getting silver spray paint all over my hands. So for sure wear gloves on this part if you don't want to get it all over your hands. And voila, there you have it. So now I have my completely finished spray painted all white side fridge. I did my special touches with the silver, and at this point, this fridge is ready to rock and roll and get the marble finishing on it. Look how beautiful, just so beautiful. And I just look so crazy trying to turn this damn fridge. This struggle was real, y'all, okay? But y'all get the point, it's beautiful. Now let's go on to putting the marble on. Just a really quick clip to show y'all exactly what type of wrap that I used. This is the exact brand, the exact size that I got, and I had 3 rolls of this. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my wrapping paper to size up the fridge, and honestly, this part is really difficult. Like, a lot of people make it look more easier than what it really is. It's a lot of like technique, and I'm gonna have it going pretty fast, so hopefully you guys can see the technique behind of how I was getting like the air bubbles out and things like that. Once I got to the freezer part, I basically had to cut out where the logo goes, so it isn't any like paper over the logo. And an easier way to do this would be to use an X-Acto knife, but I honestly had forgot to grab one from the store. I wasn't going back, so I just used scissors, and they came out perfectly fine with scissors as well. You just have to be really precise if you use scissors, but they will work. And voila, absolutely stunning, y'all. Like, I really shook myself with this fridge. Like, this marble finish, this silver touch. Yeah, pat on the back, I did that. But I absolutely love it, y'all. Like, honestly, I was so like skeptical about having another fridge in my apartment. I'm like, but I am super excited how it turns out. Like, I don't even mind it because it just goes so well with my interior decor. It's stunning. Just look at that beauty. So freaking cute. Yes, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. If y'all have any questions, don't forget to comment, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you guys later.